Hi there everyone, Jet here. I made this video and it is divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is how to install Python. Number 2 is how to install Visual Studio Code. And lastly, I will show you a demo on how we can use Python. So if you're new to Python and want to have an idea how to use it, this video is for you. So here we are now in the browser. Search in Google, Python. Now you click on the first link. In the Python website, you will see the downloads. Then click this button to start the download. When the download finish, run the Python installer. Don't forget to check add python.exe to path. Then select customize installation. Click next. Check install Python for all users. The Windows prompt will appear, then click yes to proceed with the installation. Wait for the installation to finish. Now we can check if our Python installation is successful. Open up a command prompt, then type python -- version. As you can see, it returned our Python version. We can activate the Python in the terminal by typing Python. Once activated, we can enter our Python command. We can also test our Python in the idle. Now that Python is installed in our computer, we're gonna install Visual Studio Code. In this video, I will show you how to install VS Code. In your search engine, search for Visual Studio Code. Now click on the first link. Click the download button, then the page will redirect. Wait for the download to start, and if the download doesn't start, click direct download link. Once the download finish, run the VSCode installer. Click accept the agreement, then click next. Leave the installation folder at default, then click next. Once you reach this part, check everything, then click next. Then click install. Now VS Code is installed in your computer. Now open up VS Code to see that it is installed correctly. It is advisable to sign into VS Code so that all the settings and the extensions you install in VS Code will be synced automatically. Now you successfully installed VS Code in your computer. Now we are in the last part, so I'm gonna show you a demo on how we can use Python. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Python, VS Code, to create a Python script. Create a folder, then right click on the folder, and then open with code. Visual Studio Code will open, and then the folder here is now your working folder. Now we're gonna create a Python file, and we're gonna call it sample.py. The .py extension means that it's a Python file. Now first we add a welcome equals what did you learn today. We add an option. Okay, and then now we create equals input. Now we will ask the user, enter your choice. Now while choice is not equals to string 4, because the 4 is the exit. Okay, while it's not 4, it will continue to ask us choice equals input, enter your choice, like that. Go to view, and terminal. Yeah, as you can see, there's this shortcut key, control plus tick, like that. So now we run the file, python sample.py, enter number of choice, then when it's 4 it exits. So we add it here, print welcome and print options, like that. So let's try it again. What did you learn today? So should we add an entry, or should we remove entry, show entries, and exit? So 1, of course, we haven't implemented it yet, but the 4, it will exit. Here, if choice is 1, so what? It is add entry. Oh, we forgot to add our entries. So in here, I'm gonna put entries. So this will serve as like our database, a list. It will be filled up with entries or the item that we learned today. So here, if choice is 1, we will add another input. What did you learn? Item. Yeah. And then entries that append item. So it will add whatever the user input to the entries. Let's print that item f-string item has been added to the entries. Elif choice is equals to show entries first. Elif choice is 3. We print the entries 4 and 3. In entries, print entry, like that. Add this input, press enter to go back to menu. So if not entries, meaning if the entries are empty, if there's no item in the entries, and we're gonna print no item available in the entries. Python sample.py show entries. No item available in the entries. Okay, so let's add Python. Python has been added to we need to print this again so that this will show. So in here, let's print options, the print welcome. Yeah, okay. Again, so let's clear choice python sample.py show entries. No, okay. Add entry. What did you learn? I learned how to install Python. Show entries. How to install Python. So it's showing now. So that to make it more readable, let's change it to, let's add this. Enumerate entries, and then let's make it the starting number is 1, and then add this idx, meaning index, and then let's change this to f-string, and then idx dot entry, like that. So again, let's try it again. Python sample.py show entries. Okay, very good. Now Python, now enter your choice. What did you learn today? Show entries. Yeah, so now it is showing a number. So next, we will implement the remove. If choice equals 2. If choice is 2, of course, we need to show them the entries again so that they can pick which item they want to delete. So 4 and 3 in entries, or again idx for index, enumerate entries, which is start with 1, print f idx dot entries. and then we will ask input, enter the number of the item you want to remove, and then let's say this is number. Yeah, okay. And then now we're gonna remove the entry, entries dot pop number int number -1. Yeah, so it's gonna remove the item with the number. Okay, and then let's say this is the entry. Now entry equals, okay, and then we're gonna print f string is now removed from entries. Okay, here let's change it to item, just to item, like that. Okay, so let's try it again. Exit first here and then clear it all. Python sample.py, show entries. Okay, very good. Okay, so here this is not what we expect, so we have to tweak our code. Not entries, print no available item to remove in entries. Okay, if, and then the else is all of this. Yeah, like that. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, so again, see, it returns the error. Yeah, okay, so again, Python sample.py, show entries. Very good, there's no entries. Remove entries. What did it say? No available entries, no available item to remove in entries. Okay, so I think we should add a little bit like a breathing time for the user to process what happened. Import time, and then okay, here we add this time sleep 1. Okay, so again, let's try it. Python sample.py, remove entries, no available item to remove entries, and then okay, yeah. What did you learn today? So I think we should add this here. So this will add another extra line whenever it's printed. So exit again, Python sample.py, add entry. Let's say we learned Python, show entries, that's number 1. So how now we're gonna remove an entry on an item. Oh, wait. So there's something wrong here. Here it should be entry. Yeah, like that. So yeah, well, again, let's try it again. So Python, clear this first. Python sample.py, add entry, run Python. Now we want to remove an entry, so we have a choice of, yeah. Now what the Python is now removed from entries, and now we show the entries, no item available in the entries. But enter to go back to mirror. Okay, let's try it again, just to be sure that it's all working. Python sample.py, add entry, how to install Python, add entry, how to install VSCode, show entries. Now it's showing how to install and how to install. Okay, so now we're gonna remove entries. Oh, print for IDX. Oh, it should be like this. I see. Okay, so sorry for that, and then let's cancel this again. Okay, Python sample.py, add entry, how to install Python, and add entry, how to install VS Code, and then show entries. See, And now for go back to menu, show remove entry. Now it's showing it. So let's remove how to install VS Code. Okay, show entries again. Okay, very good. So 2. Now there should be no entries anymore. Show choices, no item. Very good. Exit. So I think that's a good demo on how you can use Python. So that's it. We're done with the demo. So the demo might bring more questions than answer, but that's okay. It just shows that you are willing to learn. And now feel free to leave a comment in the comment section so that I can see and read your inquiries, your questions, and then we will answer it in the next video. And of course, if you like the video, subscribe and hit the like button. And I will continue to make more videos regarding this kind of topic, and I hope you guys like the video. Thank you.